Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is Mr. Spencer. His property's been on one of my videos I logged, anyhow, a long time ago. This is the Miller. We've had it running. It might even run today. Got new terminals in the battery. The carburetor sorted. Choke, no choke.
Try choke.
Yeah, give her a shot of ether. We had the compressor running today. We actually did tire with it. Should have took a video of that too, but can't see it from here.
Choke open?
Choke should be closed.
Open it up.
Is that open or closed?
I can't see it. There's on there.
That should be closed. Or open. That should be open.
Okay, give it a try.
Just leave that off for now. It's got a chrome air cleaner, so we know it's got more power. I'm gonna run that thing closed. Like a kitten. Got a little choke on it right now, but she'll warm up in a minute. Yeah, we know it welds. We know the power works on it. Gotta fix the idler, but that ain't a big deal. Anyhow, y'all have a good day. Alright. This crane's got her going. I can figure out the buttons. And pull some lead out. Needs one of them balls on the end. The swing's kind of slow, but she works. Kind of want to swing a little bit.
Yeah, it's pretty close to this.
That's as high up as it goes.
Okay.
All right, come on down. That poor little Ranger ain't gonna know what's hit it. Where you want it? Okay. Anyhow, string works, compressor works, welder works. Welder needs some attention, but it works. All right. Bye, Mr. Lincoln.